Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song So Will I by Hillsong United. As always, I'm going to play the song for you right now, and then after I play it I'm going to break it down and kind of explain the details of the song for you. So let's go ahead and get started.
Creation, there at the start, before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, he spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonder of life. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies are born. In the vapor of your breath, the planets form. If the stars were made to worship, so will I. I can see your heart in everything you've made. Every burning star, a signal fire of grace. If creation sings your praises, so will I. God of your promise, you don't speak in vain, no syllable empty or void. You have spoken, all nature and science follow the sound of your voice. And as you speak, 100 billion creatures catch your breath, evolving in pursuit of what you sent. If it all reveals your nature, so will I. I can see your heart in everything you've made. Every painted sky, a canvas of your still obeys you, so will I. If the stars were made to worship, so will I. If the mountains bow in reverence, so will I. If the oceans roar your greatness, so will I. If everything exists to lift you high, so will I. If the wind goes where you send it, so will I. If the rocks cry out in silence, so will I. If the sum of all our praises still falls short, we'll sing again 100 billion times. God of salvation, you chased down my heart through all of my failure and pride. You created the light of the world, abandoned in darkness to die. even as you speak. 100 billion failures to see. Everything you've done, every part designed in a work of art called love. If you gladly chose surrender, so will I. I can see in your billion different ways every precious one, a child you died to save. If you gave your life to love them, so will I. Like you would again 100 billion times. But what measure could amount to your desire? The one who never leaves the one behind.
All right, so for this song, we're going to be using 5 chords from the C chord family. So we have the C chord, the F over C chord, which is a nice F alternative when you're playing in the C chord family. We have A minor 7. We have G. And we have E minor. Now it's important to remember when you're playing the C chord, the A minor, and the F over C, that you want to start your strumming on the A string, not the E string. So the E string should not be part of those chords. You want to make sure that it's not resonating. So you can just avoid it, but you can also use your thumb to touch the E string so that it's muted and it doesn't resonate while you strum. Now a disclaimer before people get upset in the comments. I did purposefully change the chords of the song and the strum pattern of the song to make it easier to play. This song can be very complicated if you want it to. But this is simplified guitar after all, okay? So I'm trying to simplify songs down to make it easier for beginners to play. For the strum pattern for this song, I'm using the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We've just got 4 down strums with an up strum after beat 4, and then we repeat everything, okay? Now, we want to put emphasis on beats 1 and 3, so every other beat we're going to strum harder, and on 2 and 4 we're going to strum softer, okay? So I'm just going to hold the C chord, and I'm going to play through that strum pattern so you can hear what it would sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.